Hello friends, welcome again. And this is my new project, Hotel Room Management or Hotel Management System. And I have developed this project in VB.NET and database. I'm using the MS Access, right? And currently I'm using Visual Studio 2019 for running this project. And the MS Access is I'm using 2017, right? So for running this project you must have the Visual Studio 2019 on your system and MSSX, right? Both software must be available in your system for running this project, right? So once you get this project, right, you can open this project in Visual Studio, right? Visual Studio 2019, and you will get the forms here, right? And once all things loaded, then you can run it, right? So once you click on this and it will start. So this is a mini project and developed in VB.NET and MS Access, right? And so let's start with the functionality, go through that what we have implemented, what are the features available inside this project, right? So for running this project, I have imported this project in Visual Studio 2019. Once I click on the start button, it's asking for, this is a home page, right? It's asking for user ID and password. So the user ID is admin and password is 1234, right? So once you log in, then it's saying that login successful, and it will show this option, right? There are many options here, right? So you can see check-in, check-out, reservation, add room settings, new guest, check-in list, check-out list, right? And then reservation list, room status, right? So once you click on the checking, then it will show you the guest name, room number, right here. Once you click on the browse, then it will from here you can add the guest name, right? Room number, browse, and you can select the room from here, the room type, room rate, each and everything will be added from here, right? So I am going to add a guest first, so new guest, right? So my name is, so I am adding Atul Kumar, and then last name is, so Atul, and the last name is Kumar, middle name is anything, text, right? Address, anything. I am adding a New Delhi. At contact number you can add anything, gender, so mail, email address, atul@gmail.com, and then save, right? Once you click on guest added, right? So one guest added, right? So now I am going to check in process, and once you click on the browse, so you can see Atul is here, right? Once you click on the Atul, then it will be added, right? So for browse I have not added, so each and every room is occupied. So from room number, room type, from here you can select all of the things, room rate, right? So you can add anything from here, right? So you can add the guest, how many guests you want to add, right? So let me show you the other functionality also, right? This is the checking list, so this is all of the checking list which is available, right? So these all are the checking list, right? So now, yes, now checkout, I am going to guest name, so I'm going to add this one, right? And so this is the total calculation, right? Once I click on the checkout, so this all things will be filled automatically, right? Yes, guest checkout, right? Now I am going to check out the second one also, so this one, and yes, checkout, right? Now so this is the checkout. Now I am going to check in again, so you can see these both rooms are now available, right? Because those room was occupied by the guest, right? So here you can select the guest name first, right? And then the room number, and each and everything is calculated, is filled automatically. Here you can add the number of guests, number of children, right? And then discount is none, and then advance payment I can add anything here, right? So total balance is 50 rupees, right? Once you click on the check-in, then it will be saved in the database. You can see this is the checking list, Atul Kumar is here, right? So this is the check-in and check-out process. This is a reservation. You can see all of the reservation here, right? You can reserve the room here, right? This is the same reservation, right? The same for only for the reserve, not for the checking, right? So you can fill the information and you can reserve the room here, right? Add rooms, from here you can add any number of rooms. From room list you can see all of the room list here, right? This is the settings, right? This is the discount, add new room, add guest, right? From these all are the three options. From here you can add the things, right? New guest here. From here you can add the new guest. From guest list you can see all of the guest list here, right? This is a checking list. I already told you this is a checking list, right? You can see all of the guest here, right? Who has checked in, right? The checkout list, all of the checked out, right? Report will be here. The reservation list, all of the reservation will be displayed here. And the room status, you can see occupied, available. So currently there are only uh, one room available and one is reserved and three is occupied, right? So all of the room report will be displayed here, right? And these are all of the features. So these all 10 functionalities we have developed, right? So once you click on the logout button, then it will be logged out and you will be redirected to the login page, right? So these all functionalities we have developed inside this project, which we have developed in vb.net and MyMS Access database, right? And as I told you earlier, we have used Visual Studio 2019 for developing this project, right? So if you need any extra feature, if you need any enhancement in this project, just put it into the comments. We will incorporate those changes. We will make this project more better and better according to your requirements. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for getting the latest project videos on the latest technologies. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.